First we will see summary of conversion. So first, from spherical to Cartesian, from Cartesian to spherical. Formulas which are used for spherical to Cartesian and Cartesian to spherical. So the first one is x is equal to r sine theta cos phi. Second, y is equal to r sine theta sine phi, and z is equal to r cos theta. Now from Cartesian to spherical, r is equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Next, theta is equal to cos inverse of z divided by square root of x square plus y square plus z square. And third one, phi is equal to tan inverse of y by x. So these formulas are used for solving the problems. Next one is transformation vector between the Cartesian and spherical coordinate system. For that we have to use a dot product table. So this is table for a dot product. Ax bar, Ay bar, and this is Az bar. And here it is Ar bar, A theta bar, and A phi bar. So this is dot product of Ax bar and Ar bar. Dot product is sin theta cos phi. This is Ay bar dot Ar bar is sin theta sin phi, and this is cos of theta. Dot product of X bar and A theta bar is cos theta cos phi. We'll write it here. Ay bar A theta bar dot product cos theta sin phi, and this is minus sin theta. X bar dot A phi bar is minus sin phi. Ay bar dot A theta bar is cos phi, and this is 0. So these are the formulas which are used for solving the problems. So we will see the first problem, that is, first problem is convert the point P having values 3, 45 degree, 60 degree in, first is Cartesian coordinate and second one is the cylindrical coordinate. So here point P is specified in spherical coordinate. So we have to find first Cartesian coordinate. So for that, here point P is specified in spherical coordinate system. So r is equal to 3, theta is equal to 45 degree, and phi is equal to 60 degree. Now we have to use the conversion relation of conversion. So x is equal to r. For converging spherical to coordinate, we have to use these formulas. So x is equal to r sine theta cos phi. So r means 3 sine 45 degree cos 45 cos 60 degree. So we have to solve it on calci, and the answer is 1.06. Next is y is equal to r sine theta sine phi. So it is 3 sine 45 degree sine 60. So the answer is 1.5. Next is z is equal to r cos of theta. So the answer is 3 cos of 45 degree. So it is 2.12. So here we get the answers of x, y and z. So the point P in Cartesian coordinate system is P 1.06, 1.5 and 2.12. Now the next one is in the cylindrical coordinate. So for that we will use the another relation between the cylindrical and spherical coordinate. So following relation between cylindrical and spherical coordinate system is used. So which relation? For that, r is equal to r sin theta, phi is equal to phi, and z is equal to r cos theta. These three relations are used. So here r is equal to r sin theta means 3 sin 45 degree. Its answer is 2.12. Next, phi is equal to phi means it is 60 degree, and the next is z is equal to 3 cos of 45 degree. So its value is 2.12. So here we get the values of r, phi and z, which are the values of cylindrical coordinates. So point P in cylindrical coordinate system is P of r phi z, that is P of 2.12, 60 degree and 2.12. Next problem, transform the given vector a bar is equal to 3ax bar minus 2ay bar minus 3az bar at point P minus 2 minus 3 4 into spherical coordinate system. So here vector a bar is given and it is in the form of Cartesian coordinate system. So first we will write here the given vector is in vector is given in Cartesian coordinate system. So it is a bar is equal to 3ax bar minus 2ay bar minus 3az bar. This is equation number 1. Now we have to find the vector in equation in spherical coordinate. So general expression for spherical coordinate is, so this vector in spherical coordinate system can be written as a bar is equal to ar bar plus a theta plus a phi, a phi bar. This is equation 2. So we have to find here the values of AR, A theta and A phi, and we have to replace these AR, A theta and A phi values in this equation, and this will be our final equation. So here we have to calculate AR, A theta and A phi. Now first we will find the vector component AR. So vector component AR, it can be found by using equation AR is equal to A bar dot small AR. So it is A bar. What is the value of A bar? This is the value of A bar. So our equation is 3AX minus 2AY into AR. So we will multiply this. This is the value of AR. This is our equation number 3. Similarly, we will find the values of A theta and A phi. So similarly, A theta is equal to A bar dot A theta bar. So it is 3AX multiply by A theta this is our A theta. This is equation number 4. So here we not equation number 4, here we replace the values of these two dot product, that is AX bar and A theta bar, by using this table of dot product, by using this dot product table. So we will replace it by A theta is equal to AX bar dot A theta bar. It is 3 AX bar dot A theta bar means sin theta, cos theta cos phi. So it is cos theta cos phi minus AY bar dot A theta bar cos theta sin phi minus 2 cos theta sin phi minus AZ bar dot A theta bar is minus of minus is, it becomes plus 3 sin theta. This is our next equation. Before that, we will also replace its dot product values AX bar dot AR bar. So it is AX bar dot AR bar is sin theta cos phi minus 2 AY bar dot AR bar is sin theta sin phi minus 3 AZ bar dot AR bar is cos theta. So this is our equation 4 and this is our equation 5. Similarly, we have to find the values of a phi. So a phi is equal to a bar dot a phi bar. So our equation is a bar is 3ax bar minus 2ay minus 3az bar dot a phi bar. So we multiply it by 3ax bar dot a phi bar minus 2ay bar dot a phi bar 3az bar dot a phi bar. Again we replace the values of this dot product from the table. Ax bar dot a phi bar is minus sin phi, so it will be minus 3 sin phi. Ay bar dot a theta a phi bar is cos phi, so it is minus 2 cos phi, and az bar dot a phi bar is 0, so it will be 0. So this is our equation number 7. Now the next in the given problem is that the point values of point P, that is minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and 4, and these are the values in the Cartesian coordinate system. So what is given? The point in this is given point in Cartesian coordinate system as P minus 2, minus 3 and 4. So therefore x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 3 and x, z is equal to 4. So these are the values of x, y and z. Now we convert this coordinate into the spherical form. So convert these coordinate into spherical form. So for that we have some equations, that is r is equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. So x square is minus 2 square plus minus 3 square plus 4 square, and its value is r is equal to, by using calculator, is 5.38. This is our equation number or value, equation 8. Now we have theta is equal to cos inverse of z divided by square root of x square plus y square plus z square. So it is cos inverse of z is 4, square root of value of this is it is minus 2 square plus minus 3 square plus 4 square. So this value is 41.97 degree. This is equation 9, value of theta. Next is phi is tan inverse of y by x, that is tan inverse of minus 3 by minus 2. So phi is equal to 56.3 degree. This is equation 10. Now the final step, that is we have the values of now r, theta and phi. So substitute these values in equation 4, 6 and 7. So now put values of r, theta and phi in equations 4, 6 and 7. So our equation will be, now fourth equation is what? Fourth equation is this, that is AR is equal to 3 sin theta means it is 41.97 degree into cos phi is 56.3 degree minus 2 sin theta is into sin minus 3. So we solve this on calci and we get the values. So the values are minus. So this is our final answer. This is equation 11, that is this is the value of AR. Now the next is A theta, that is 3 cos phi is minus 2 cos theta is then sin phi is plus 3 sin theta is, so we solve this. This is equation 12. This is the value of A theta. Now next we have to find the value of A phi. So A phi is minus sin 56.3 degree minus 2 cos 56.3. So this value is A phi is equal to minus 3.6. This is our equation number 13. So we put these values, from equation 11, 12 and 13 in equation 2, that is previous equation. So our final answer is A bar is equal to minus 2.23 AR bar plus 2A theta bar minus 3.6 A phi bar. This is our final answer.